Hello everyone, friends. Today we are with you in an XRP video. We continue XRP with Elliott Wave counts, and in my previous video I said 2 days ago, we talked about the fact that we had a decline in the A wave here, and that a rise would come again with the B wave. Now I will tell you where the B wave here can end. Using Fibonacci, there is a possibility of a drop in XRP from the 0.618 level. If I take this into a region like this, $2.64 and $2.75 can be a local peak for us. I think the B point here is that the price will come down again through this box. We can think that the price will form such a deep C structure. But here, a result with 3 variations emerges. The first result is this, a horizontal C correction here and then bullish. After a deeper decline here and making the section support, there will be a rise from here. And by making a deeper C, I can say that it will spend a consolidated period in this way, with a hard sale that will go below this section. We have 3 C sections here. This is the first scenario, this is the second scenario, and this is the third scenario. Friends, we will examine together how the market will react with the sales that may come here. There was a downtrend, and with this channel, I said in my last video how the price would move. The middle band of the channel here was a resistance point for us. We talked about the lower band being a support point. Right now, friends, the price needs to make a move in this way in order to break the middle band again. The rise here should take place in a very volatile way, but I think XRP is closer to breaking the lower band of the channel for now. We will see it in the next video, and it is useful to examine the movement here with the box I just said. And there is a trend like this coming from the bottom, friends. This trend is very important. This is the resistance that can be the strongest support of XRP. These variations will not occur unless the trend here is broken. Here I am looking at price action based. My previous analysis was with the Elliott Wave method. With the decline here now, with the price breaking the lower band of the channel and breaking the rising trend here, Scenario 3, Scenario 2 and Scenario 1 will be a reason for them to start. Friends, what is important here is exactly this section in XRP, where the price should break with a sudden rise in price. If 2.86 cents is broken in XRP, a more exciting journey can begin as an ascent. But the probability of this occurring is much more difficult. After the movement in the price rises in this way, it should set off towards the targets we have given here. In short, the most important event in XRP this week is that the thick black line here should not be broken and the line above should not be broken. From here, I expect a sale to come from the price and move towards the red variations first. In XRP, it is much more important to watch where the price will go right now. There is no need to rush to take trades, and it is critical for us that this section cannot be passed in XRP. I do not expect any rise in XRP if this section, i.e. the $2.91 sections, is not passed. If the XRP price will pass this section, 2.86 must be broken, and then the new resistance that will come next is exactly $3.10 for us. That's all I have to say for now. Thank you for listening to me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Have a good day.